Alright, we're over at the Explorer here. This was supposed to be inspected a long time ago, and I never got it inspected because the check engine light came on, and I don't know why it came on. So, I want to go over some things with it, hopefully this weekend, to see what might be going on with that. I have a bunch of things to do a tune-up, a bunch of parts, to do a tune-up, but I don't know if that will turn the light off. So, we'll go over a list of things, and then what I want to do is pick up tires for it. For now, I'm going to switch back to the ones that are on the Ranger, put these on the Ranger, and then, just for now, but then I'm going to do spark plugs, plug wires, I like to do a fuel filter, and an oil change, and disconnect the battery while I'm doing that, and hopefully the computer will reset. And I'm thinking plug wire or spark plug is why the check engine light came on, because I've had in the past a spark plug wire come loose. Spark plug come loose, and I've had spark plug wires go bad, just from heat, whatever, and then it may start to run a little rough, where it runs fine, but you can kind of tell it starts a little slower than usual. That's what it's doing again. So I'm thinking it's just, I put a lot of miles in this truck, so I'm thinking that it's just time for some TLC.